Hello everyone, welcome to the third video session of the QP Robo app. So in this video, I am going to explain how the web admin panel is going to help the QP Robo app. So as soon as you log into the web admin panel, this gives a quick snapshot of what's happening in the app. You will see how many inspectors are available, how many managers are available, and how many templates are currently being configured and used in this solution. A split of those details are shown in the right side. You can see how many quality reports have been approved, how many are in progress, how many are deviated, rejected, and how many are pending. Let me show you how to create a checklist for each part number. So this is the place where you create the quality checklist for the quality inspectors to carry out. So this is the place you create the part number, fill in all the required details, choose the vendor, and upload the drawing. So what is the receipt number? And at the bottom you can see the type of operations that would be involved for this quality checklist. So among the list of all the processes available, you will have to basically pick out the process which you feel will be applicable. So there is a header information on something related to this process data that you will have to fill in. So you can easily import the data by downloading the sample template file, fill in the data, and then you can upload the file. So all the checklist parameters can be quickly configured and defined offline. You can keep all the things ready and just upload the file. You will be able to like see all the data getting imported for the visual inspection and the dimension inspection. Then for the quality inspector to make it very easy for him to identify the place where he has to check the for each of the parameters, click on the radio button, it will take you to the image. Then there is, you can see an arrow at the top. You can basically like drag and drop the arrow. So that means the quality inspector has to check this particular reading. Just copy the text. So basically this is to store the position of the uh, reading that has to be checked from the actual component. So like this you will be able to like define the list of parameters and configurations for each of the processes involved, and you will be able to save the data. So once you save the data, the quality template is being created successfully. You can view the list of templates that you have created in the screen. So after the template is being created, you will have to enter the receipt number in the mobile app so that the quality inspector will be able to start recording the quality inspection actuals. You will have a provision to um, edit the data in case if there is any change on it. But the edit is restricted till the process is started. Once the quality inspector starts the quality inspection, you will not be able to edit the checklist again. And to make the process very easy, for the same set of part numbers, you will the quality check parameters will remain the same. So you can basically clone the parameters from the previous part number. So I'm picking up the MR3 which I have used in the demo. So the data gets populated from the same part number details with all the necessary information filled in. So you will just have to change the receipt number of this particular checklist and then save the data. That's it. Now you will be able to see the new checklist created with the receipt number MR4. So similarly, you have the option to view the checklist, edit, delete the checklist, download the checklist, clone, and then reassign. So basically, when you create a checklist, you will have to define who will be the quality inspector taking up this assignment. Suppose during mid of the readings, if that particular quality inspector is no longer available or he has gone for a holiday or something, then you will be able to reassign to a different inspector. So you have to choose the new inspector and then click reassign, and the quality checklist will be reassigned to the new quality inspector. In the quality plan status, you will be able to see the list of status against each of the receipt numbers that you have done. That shows the either it is approved or no receipt. That means you have created the checklist, but the receipt number is not being configured there. The checklist which are approved, deviated, all this data you will be able to see in this screen. You have an option at the top where you can search for the information. So this will be very useful when you want to verify or review the old checklist. It saves lots of time. So apart from this, I will also explain on how the admin panel is going to help you. This is the place where you basically define the certain masters that would be required for the app to function properly. So this includes the list of processes that you would like to operate with. So you can create all the processes involved. You will be able to define the set of standard remarks that you want the quality inspector or the manager to choose from during the inspection process as well as during the approval process. Apart from this, you also have a vendor management where you can create and manage the list of vendors. So these vendors will be mapped when you create a quality checklist, and you will also be able to manage and create users and define roles for them. So you create a user, give the essential information like username, email, mobile number, password, and you can choose the role which you want to assign it, whether he is an inspector or manager or admin. If he is an inspector, then you will have to choose who will be the manager for that inspector, and you can make the status as active inactive, through which you will be able to control the login of the user. So that's it about the admin panel, how it is going to act as a backbone for the QP Robo app. Thank you so much for watching this video.